Rolls Royce, a name synonymous with automotive luxury, has embarked on a bold new chapter with the Spectre. This isn't just another car, it's a revolution in the world of high-end automobiles. This fully electric coupe marks the brand's first foray into the EV market. It's a daring move that showcases Rolls-Royce's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Priced at around $400,000, the Spectre isn't just a car, it's a statement. Every detail, from the handcrafted interior to the advanced electric drivetrain, exudes luxury and sophistication. It signals a future where sustainability and opulence coexist. The Spectre is designed for those who want to make a bold statement while also caring for the environment. The Spectre represents a pivotal moment in automotive history. It's a bridge between the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce and the cutting-edge technology of the future. It's a Rolls-Royce through and through, but with a silent electric heart. The driving experience is serene and powerful, embodying the essence of luxury. This fusion of tradition and innovation sets the stage for a new era of luxury motoring. The Spectre is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring a seamless and intuitive driving experience. The Spectre is aimed at a discerning clientele who demand the best of the best. These are individuals who appreciate unparalleled craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. These are individuals who appreciate the finer things in life and are eager to embrace the future of luxury mobility. They seek a vehicle that reflects their status and forward-thinking mindset. With its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering commitment to luxury, the Spectre is poised to make a lasting impression on the automotive world and beyond. It's a car that redefines what it means to drive a Rolls-Royce. It's a car that will be spoken about in hushed tones for generations to come. The Spectre is not just a vehicle, it's a legacy in the making. The Spectre's electric powertrain is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to engineering excellence. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, early estimates suggest a range of over 320 miles on a single charge. This impressive range is achieved through a state-of-the-art battery pack and a highly efficient electric motor. The Spectre's electric powertrain delivers instant torque, resulting in breathtaking acceleration. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4.5 seconds. But the Spectre is about more than just raw power. It's about delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The car's advanced suspension system glides over bumps and imperfections in the road. The Spectre's regenerative braking system seamlessly recovers energy during deceleration, further enhancing its efficiency. This technology ensures a smooth and controlled braking experience. The exterior of the Rolls-Royce Spectre is a masterclass in automotive design, showcasing the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship. Its long sweeping lines and imposing stance exude an aura of effortless elegance, making it a true head-turner on any road. The Spectre's design language is both modern and timeless, blending contemporary aesthetics with classic Rolls-Royce elements. The car's iconic Pantheon grille takes on a new dimension in its electric iteration, symbolizing a new era for the brand. It's flanked by slim LED headlights that accentuate the Spectre's wide, assertive stance, giving it a commanding presence. The fastback roofline flows seamlessly into the rear end, creating a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. The Spectre's aerodynamic profile is not just for show, it enhances performance and efficiency. It contributes to the car's impressive range by reducing drag, ensuring a smooth and efficient drive. The car's sleek design is a testament to the fact that form and function can coexist in perfect harmony without compromise. Every detail of the Spectre's exterior has been meticulously crafted to create a sense of understated luxury, from the smallest trim to the overall silhouette. From the handcrafted paintwork to the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, each element is a testament to Rolls-Royce's dedication to excellence. The Spectre is a work of art on wheels, a moving sculpture that embodies the pinnacle of automotive artistry. It's a car that commands attention wherever it goes, leaving a lasting impression on all who see it. Step inside the Spectre and you'll be greeted by a cabin that is nothing short of opulent. The attention to detail is immediately apparent, with every element meticulously crafted to exude luxury. Every surface is swathed in the finest materials, from hand-stitched leather to sustainably sourced wood veneers. The craftsmanship is evident in every stitch and every grain of wood, creating an environment that is both sumptuous and sustainable. The Spectre's interior is a sanctuary of luxury and refinement. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the outside world and immerse yourself in pure comfort. The car's seats are designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support. They are not just seats, they are thrones that cradle you in the lap of luxury. They offer a wide range of adjustments to ensure the perfect driving position. Whether you prefer to sit upright or recline, the seats can be tailored to your exact preference. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and headroom. The spaciousness ensures that even the tallest passengers can stretch out and relax. The Spectre's dashboard is a work of art in itself. It seamlessly blends form and function, creating a focal point that is both beautiful and practical. It features a minimalist design language that is both elegant and functional. The clean lines and uncluttered layout make it a joy to use. The car's infotainment system is controlled through a large touchscreen display. This state-of-the-art system ensures that all the information and entertainment you need is at your fingertips. One of the most striking features of the Spectre's interior is the Starlight headliner. This unique feature transforms the car's ceiling into a mesmerizing display of twinkling stars. This optional extra uses thousands of tiny fiber optic lights to create the illusion of a starlit sky. It's a feature that adds a touch of magic to every journey. It's a magical touch that adds to the car's sense of occasion. The Spectre's interior is not just a place to sit, it's an experience to be savored. Section 5. Technological prowess, innovation meets tradition. The Rolls Royce Spectre seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with traditional craftsmanship. The car's advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience without compromising the driving experience. The Spectre features a comprehensive suite of connectivity features, including a premium sound system, wireless charging, and smartphone integration. The car's infotainment system provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The Spectre's advanced suspension system uses cameras and sensors to scan the road ahead and adjust the car's ride height accordingly. This technology ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even on the most challenging roads. Rolls-Royce has also equipped the Spectre with a range of sustainable materials. These materials reduce the car's environmental impact without compromising its luxurious feel. The Spectre is a testament to the fact that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. Section 6. The Spectre Experience Advantages and Drawbacks. The Rolls Royce Spectre offers a driving experience that is unlike anything else on the road. Its combination of performance, luxury, and technology is simply unmatched. But like any car, the Spectre has its advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, the Spectre is incredibly refined and comfortable. Its electric powertrain delivers silent and effortless acceleration. The car's interior is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, providing a truly luxurious experience for both driver and passengers. However, the Spectre's high price tag will put it out of reach for most buyers. Its limited range, compared to some other electric vehicles, may also be a concern for some potential customers. Overall, the advantages of owning a Rolls-Royce Spectre far outweigh the drawbacks. It's a car that is sure to turn heads and make a statement wherever it goes. Section 7. The electric elite competitors in the ultra-luxury segment. The Rolls-Royce Spectre enters a growing market of ultra-luxury electric vehicles. Its main competitors include the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Lucid Air. Each of these vehicles offers its own unique blend of performance, luxury, and technology. The Tesla Model S Plaid is known for its blistering acceleration and cutting-edge technology. However, it lacks the Spectre's heritage and handcrafted luxury. The Lucid Air impresses with its long range and spacious interior, but it doesn't quite match the Spectre's presence and prestige. The Spectre differentiates itself from its competitors through its unwavering commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. It's a car that has been designed to provide a truly bespoke experience for its discerning clientele. Ultimately, the choice between these vehicles comes down to personal preference, but there's no denying that the Rolls-Royce Spectre sits at the pinnacle of the ultra-luxury electric car market. Section 8. Spectre's place in automotive history, a legacy forged. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than just a car, it's a symbol of the future of luxury motoring. Its arrival marks a pivotal moment in automotive history, as one of the world's most iconic marques embraces electrification. The Spectre's legacy will be defined by its ability to seamlessly blend tradition and innovation. It's a car that stays true to the Rolls-Royce brand while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in an electric vehicle. The Spectre's impact will be felt far beyond the automotive world. It's a car that has the power to inspire a new generation of car enthusiasts and change the way we think about luxury and sustainability. The Spectre is a rolling testament to the enduring appeal of the Rolls Royce brand. It's a car that will be cherished by collectors and enthusiasts for generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of luxury is electric. The Rolls Royce Spectre is a triumph of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. It's a car that sets a new standard for luxury electric vehicles and paves the way for a more sustainable future for the automotive industry. The Spectre is a powerful statement from Rolls-Royce, demonstrating that it's possible to create a car that is both opulent and environmentally conscious. This is a car for those who demand the very best and refuse to compromise on their values. The Spectre's arrival signals a new era of luxury motoring, one where performance and sustainability go hand in hand. It's a future that is both exciting and inspiring, so buckle up and enjoy the ride. The future of luxury is electric, and it's arrived in the form of the Rolls Royce Spectre.